Benefits of higher plinth level in home construction, must know before building. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something very simple, but extremely important in home construction: the benefits of having a higher plinth level. If you're planning to build a house, don't skip this. A higher plinth level offers several important advantages during home construction. It protects your house from rainwater, minor flooding, and moisture coming from the ground, which helps prevent damp walls, fungus, and long-term structural damage. A raised plinth also improves airflow and ventilation inside the home, keeping the interior fresher and more comfortable. It acts as a barrier against insects and crawling pests, especially in garden-facing or ground floor areas. With a higher plinth, the house stays safe from soil settlement problems and future landscaping or paving becomes easier to plan. It also enhances the overall look of the house, making the entrance and facade appear more premium. One of the biggest benefits is protection from gradually rising road levels over the years, ensuring water doesn't flow back into your home. So, to sum it up, a higher plinth level is not just a technical detail, it's a long-term investment in safety, durability, and comfort of your home. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home building tips. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.